Most people head into the wild with gear that fails when they need it most. But today, we're fixing that. I've handpicked 21 professional tools from Amazon that look like they belong in a Bond movie but are built for brutal, real-world conditions. From a stove that turns fire into iPhone battery, to a Swedish hatchet forged with 300 years of tradition. This is the elite kit you didn't know existed. Whether you're an overlander, a hardcore hiker, or just someone who wants to be ready for anything, these 21 picks are absolute game changers. I've done the legwork and linked every single one of these in the description below with the best Amazon affiliate deals, so you can gear up and save some cash simultaneously. First up, let's talk infinite power. The SunJack 25-watt foldable solar panel. This isn't your typical flimsy plastic panel. It's built with EDFE monocrystalline. That means it's rugged, weather-resistant, and absorbs more sun than the cheap stuff. It's IP67 waterproof, so if it gets caught in a downpour, it doesn't care. With dual USB-A and USB-C ports, it pumps out 3 amps of power. It folds down to the size of a tablet. Whether you're backpacking the Sierras or prepping for a blackout, if the sun is up, you're back in business. What's the one device you'd be most stressed about if it hit 0% battery? Tell me in the comments. Standard headlamps give you tunnel vision. The Lightband Pro Pure HD gives you a panoramic view. We're talking 2,500 lumens. It has a 210-degree wide-angle beam for total situational awareness and a 15-degree tilt spot for precision, work up to 250 meters away. With a CRI over 90, colors look real, perfect for electricians or nighttime repairs. It's USB-C rechargeable and lasts 22 hours. This isn't just a light, it's a tactical advantage on your forehead. Floodlight for awareness or spotlight for distance. Which do you prefer for night hiking? Comment flood or spot. If your gear gets wet, your trip is over. Period. Enter the Earth Pack Voyager series. This is a heavy-duty, commercial-grade PVC dry bag with thermo-welded seams. It's 100% waterproof. Whether you choose the 50L or the massive 120L, the roll-top system keeps out dust, mud, and water. It features a maul system for extra attachments and padded straps, so you can carry it like a backpack. For motorcycle touring or kayaking, this is the vault for your clothes and tech. What's the most expensive thing you've ever had ruined by water? Let's commiserate in the comments. The NEBO SLYDE King 2K is the Swiss Army knife of flashlights. It's a 2,000 lumen spotlight with 4x zoom, but slide it open and you reveal a 500 lumen COB work light. It's got a magnetic base, making it the ultimate tool for roadside emergencies. Just stick it to your car and work hands-free. It's IPX7 waterproof and made of aircraft-grade aluminum. It even has a red light mode to save your night vision. One tool, 2 lights, 0 excuses. Smash the like button if you've ever had to hold a flashlight in your mouth while working on something. This magnetic base is for you. A tent is heavy. A free soldier waterproof tarp is tactical. This 10 by 10.5 foot beast is 210T ripstop polyester with a 2,500 PU waterproof coating. With 19 different guy out points, you can turn this into a hammock rainfly, a lean-to, or an emergency shelter for 2. It weighs just 2.2 pounds, but offers military-grade protection from sun, wind, and rain. This belongs in every bug-out bag in America. Tents or tarps? Which side of the camping debate are you on? Comment below. Cooking in the wild just got an upgrade. The CMP Engine 3 in one is a fire pit, a barbecue grill, and a camp stove all in one. Made of 304 stainless steel, it's built to handle extreme heat without warping. The best part? It folds completely flat into a heavy-duty canvas bag. You get 3 adjustable heights for perfect temperature control over your steaks or coffee. It's smokeless, efficient, and leaves no trace on the ground. Professional campfire cooking starts here. What's the first thing you're cooking on this? Steak, burgers, or just coffee? I'm a steak guy myself. For the hunters out there, space is luxury. The Baronet Blinds Pentagon gives you 70% more interior room than a standard blind. It's a 5-sided hub design that fits 4 people comfortably. You can actually stand up in this. It's 6 feet tall. The low-profile windows and shoot-through mesh mean you have 360-degree visibility without being seen. It's covered in blood trail backwoods camo and sets up in seconds. It's not just a blind, it's a portable fortress. Bow to a rifle. Tell me your preferred hunting method below. Also, we've officially launched our Gear Lab ESP channel for our Spanish-speaking crew. Check it out. The link is the channel description, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on all the latest gear and tips in Spanish. A cooler you have to carry with one hand is a chore. A tactical cooler backpack is a game changer. This 33-liter beast keeps ice for 18 hours and holds 35 cans. It's leak-proof, rugged, and features mall webbing for your gear. It even comes with a 46-function credit card Multitool. Whether you're hitting the beach or a construction site, this keeps your fuel cold and your hands free. It's the ultimate weekend warrior's companion. Is a 35 can capacity enough for your group? Or do you need 2? Faced with tears of joy, drop a comment. This is the heavy hitter. The Max Toolkit is an 8-in-1 system used by the U.S. military. 1 34-inch poly handle, 8 steel attachments, axe, shovel, pick, mattock, and more. It meets ANSI industry standards and U.S. Forest Service specs. It's for off-roading, gardening, or clearing a campsite. Instead of carrying 8 heavy tools, you carry one kit that fits in a 15-inch case. This is American engineering at its finest, built for those who actually get their hands dirty. If you could only have one, axe or shovel, which is more important for survival? Let's settle this. Now, the ultimate lifesaver, the Garmin inReach Messenger. When the cell towers go dark, this stays on. It's a satellite communicator that offers global two-way messaging and a 24/7 SOS trigger. It has a 28-day battery life and can even safety charge your phone enough to send text. It switches between Wi-Fi, cell, and satellite automatically to save you money. If you go into the backcountry without this, you're taking a massive risk. Don't be a statistic, be connected. Who is the one person you'd text first if you were stuck in the wild? Tag them or mention them below. Forget carrying heavy propane tanks. What if your campfire could charge your iPhone? The BioLite CampStove 2 Plus is a literal power plant in your backpack. It turns heat into 3 watts of usable electricity while creating a completely smokeless flame. It boils a liter of water in under 5 minutes using nothing but twigs and sticks you find on the ground. This kit is the full package: grill top, kettle, and even coffee press. If you're a tech-savvy camper or a prepper, this is the ultimate hack for infinite energy in the woods. Plus 2, would you trust a twig-powered stove to charge your gear? Comment what if you're old school or USB if you love this tech. No more sleeping on rocks and roots. The Outsunny 2-Person Tent Cot is a 4-in-1 luxury base camp. It's an elevated cot, a tent, an air mattress, and a bed cover, all in one. It keeps you off the cold, damp ground and away from crawling critters. Supporting up to 352 pounds, it's perfect for couples or solo campers who want glamping comfort with a pro setup. It even comes with a foot pump and a wheel carry bag. It's like bringing your bedroom to the mountains. Plus 1, who's the person you know who hates camping because of the hard ground? Tag them in the comments. This just changed their life. Lighting your entire campsite shouldn't cost a fortune. The Jarkson LED lanterns come in a 4-pack of ultra-portable light bulbs. Each one weighs just 50 grams, but puts out massive light. They have a built-in carabiner, so you can clip them to your tent, your backpack, or a tree branch. With 3 modes, high, low, and SOS, they're the perfect just-in-case light for power failures or hiking. At this price, you can have one in your glove box, your bag, and your emergency kit. What's your biggest fear during a power outage? Darkness or no Wi-Fi? Be honest. Stop wasting your breath blowing up air mattresses. The Uzonk double sleeping pad has a built-in foot pump. You just stomp on it for 2 minutes, and you have a 4-inch thick ergonomic water ripple bed for two. It's made of 40D ripstop nylon, so it won't pop on a stray twig. Despite being huge when inflated, it packs down to the size of a water bottle and weighs only 3 pounds. If you value your sleep and your back, this is a mandatory upgrade for your tent. Smash that like button if you're tired of waking up on a deflated mattress at 3 a.m. If you're near water, you need the Stover 40L dry bag. This isn't just a bag, it's a floating safe for your gear. It uses high-frequency seam bonding to be 100% waterproof. It features padded ergonomic straps and a sternum clip for long hikes. I love the splash-proof outer pocket for quick access items. Plus, they throw in an IP58 certified waterproof phone case for free. From kayaking to monsoon hiking, this bag ensures your dry clothes actually stay dry. Where is your dream kayaking destination? Tell me below. EDC Perfection. The Ocknife Otical D1 is a 9-in-1 precision screwdriver made of TC4 titanium. It's the size of your thumb and weighs only 1.5 ounces. Inside the handle, it hides 4 double-ended S2 steel bits. Because it's titanium, it's practically indestructible and won't rust. It has 2 mounting positions, one for speed and one for high torque. For the tech fixer or the daily tinkerer, this is the most over-engineered and beautiful tool you'll ever own. Comment titanium if you appreciate gear that lasts a lifetime. Don't dull your expensive survival knife on cardboard. Use the Ocknife U1 Pro. This is a premium folding utility knife with a twist. It has a built-in magnetic bit driver and a micarta handle for an incredible grip. It uses a rail lock system that is buttery smooth for one-handed use. It's a box cutter, a screwdriver, and a precision tool all in one. Perfect for professionals who need a blade they can swap out in seconds without sharpening. Utility blades or fixed blades for daily work. What's in your pocket right now? This is an heirloom. The Holtzbruck Almike is hand-forged in Sweden using traditions that go back to 1697. The 1-pound head is made of tempered Swedish steel that holds an edge better than almost anything on the market. The 16-inch American hickory handle is hand-sanded and treated with linseed oil. It's light enough for backpacking, but strong enough to process wood for a whole weekend. If you want a tool you can pass down to your grandkids, this is it. Is there anything better than the smell of wood and a sharp axe? Hit subscribe if you agree. Stop fighting with tent poles in the dark. The Ateo inflatable tent uses air beam technology. You just pump it up, and in 3 minutes, you have a 68 square foot fortress. It's 4-season ready, meaning it has a built-in stove jack, so you can run a wood stove inside during winter. Made of heavy-duty 420D Oxford fabric, it's waterproof and UV resistant. It's the ultimate glamping tent for families who want a massive space without the 1-hour setup headache. Would you ever try hot tinning in the snow? Yes or no? Stop cooking on the ground like a caveman. The Vever Camping Kitchen Table is a full mobile command center. It features 3 storage cupboards, 2 prep side tables, and a center station with a detachable windscreen. It even has a lamp pole for late-night cooking. It folds down to just 5 inches thick, but gives you over 5 feet of workspace. For RVers or car campers, this is how you turn a campsite into a 5-star outdoor restaurant. What's your signature camping meal? I need some new recipes. Drop them below. The biggest lie in camping is that hammocks are comfortable. Until now. The Haven 10 XL is a lay-flat hammock. No more sleeping like a banana. It uses a custom insulated air pad and spreader bars to create a perfectly flat bed in the trees. It's a hammock, a tent, and a sleeping pad all in one. It's waterproof, bug-proof, and you can even set it up on the ground like a bivvy. 4 side sleepers. This is the holy grail of outdoor rest. Are you a back sleeper, side sleeper, or stomach sleeper? Let's see which is most common in our squad. 21 products, 0 excuses. From charging your phone with a handful of twigs to sleeping perfectly flat among the trees. These are the tools that turn a survival situation into a backyard adventure. Remember, Every single one of these elite finds is linked in the description below. If this video gave you even one must-have idea, share it with your favorite camping buddy right now. We're all about community safety and preparation. Stay prepared, stay sharp, and I'll see you out on the trail. Peace.